Good morning, students. Today we are going to start next chapter, chapter 7, which is linear equations in one variable. Before starting our worksheets, firstly we will see what is equation. Okay. Firstly, you will write down in your notebooks also note. First point is equation is a statement of equality. Firstly, you should know what is equation. Equation is a statement of equality where equal sign is in between. Okay, then and one side literal numbers, constants are given. Okay, literal numbers must be there, and in between these two, okay, statements, equal sign should be there. Okay, this is an equation. Clear? This is also equation, this is also equation, this is also equation, because see, this is constant, this is variable. Okay, and in between these two constant and variables, whatever these are, these two terms plus or minus sign can be there, and equal sign is also given. It means this is an equation. Okay, all these are equations. Clear? And in your syllabus only linear equation is given. You should know what is linear equation. A linear equation in one variable is an equation in which the highest degree of variable is 1. Means see, these are equations. Okay, and this is x raised to the power 1, means this is a linear equation. Here power of variable is 2. This is not a linear equation, this is quadratic equation. This is quadratic equation, this is cubic equation, but these are not in your syllabus. In 7th class in your syllabus only linear equation in one variable. Clear? Linear equation means which power of variable is 1. Okay, see, these are the examples of linear equations. It is not compulsory then after equal to 0 should be there. It can other number can be there. Clear this thing? This is also a linear equation. Now worksheet 1, these questions you will do, solve and check your answer. This equation is given to you, this is an equation. Here before solving, you should know one side are variable terms should be there, one side constant should be there. Okay, for this we will transpose this. See, here this is constant, this is constant, this is variable. We will shift this to right side. This is transposing to, this should be written the transposing -2 to right side. Okay, you already know in 6th class you already done these type of terms. Whenever we transpose this is -2. Whenever we transpose this, it will become positive. 5x you will write as it is, 18 you will write as it is, -2 will convert into +2. Okay, after solving this will come, and 5 is in multiplication. Whenever you transpose this to right side, whenever you then it will go in division. Okay, 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4, means value of x is 4. This is the solution of this equation. Now check is, we will check this equation putting x equals 4. This was our solution. We will put this in LHS. Okay, LHS was this 5x -2. Here 5 will divide, we will put the value of x here, then -2. Then after solving, this is LHS and this is our RHS. See, here this is our LHS and this is our RHS. Okay, which is on left side, which is on right side, both are equal, so we can write LHS is equal to, hence verified. Okay, same question number 2, transposing 1/2 to right side. Here it was positive, we will convert it into minus sign. We will write minus sign with this. Now after taking LCM we can solve this. This is 9/2. Now this is in multiplication. Whenever we shift it to right side, then it will be it will with division sign. Whenever we solve, then divide sign will convert into multiplication. We will write the reciprocal of this. After solving, y is equal to 18. Clear? Here we put the value, we found the value of y. Now we will check. Here we will put the value. Whenever we get y, we will put the value of y here. This is our LHS and this is our RHS. Check putting y equals 18. LHS, we put the value of y here. After solving, we get 5. And in RHS also, we have 5. It means LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. In this way, you can do this question. Okay. And these two questions you will do. Yes, your homework is try to do question number 3 and 4. Okay. 2 questions we done in class and 2 you will try to do yourself. Okay. This is your homework for today. Okay. Thank you.